Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove text without move table in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document with a table. Then we click the table and select the whole table on text. Then go to the home menu and click font color option. Choose font color white. Now we can see here no text available. Now we remove the text without remove table in Word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.